Hey everybody, my name is Brittany Carroll. I'm your food crush, and tonight I'm showing you how to make a super easy teriyaki salmon fried rice. The first thing you want to do is get a nice piece of salmon. We're going to marinate this in a store-bought teriyaki sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once our skillet is nice and hot, we're going to add our salmon flesh side down just for a quick sear. Now I know it's a little scary cooking salmon with the skin still on it, but I promise you, once it's done cooking in the oven, it'll flake right off. Pop it into the oven on 425 for about 15 minutes. Cool. Then using the back of a fork, you want to push down, letting the salmon fall off into nice, beautiful flakes. Next up is scrambling up our eggs for our fried rice. We're going to use a non-stick pan, about 3 to 4 eggs, scramble them up and put them to the side. Using the same pan, we're going to use some garlic, green onion. I found these cubes of ginger at Trader Joe's and they are just so convenient. We're going to add our cooked brown rice. Make sure you let this cool first. We're going to add our cooked scrambled eggs into our rice. Then we're going to add our frozen peas and carrots and give it all a good mix. We're cooking this on a high heat. I'm going to go in and add some soy sauce. Well, that didn't get me very far. When in doubt, the package drawer comes in handy. I'm also going to be adding some sesame oil. And then last but not least, we're going to add our flaked salmon. I just diced up some pineapple, and it's going to give it a nice light and citrus flavor that'll really complement the savoriness of the salmon.